Hi guys, happy Tuesday. So today we went to Wendy's. We're gonna try their hot honey chicken sandwich. Let me show you the sandwich. I also got some fries. I guess they have new fries. I haven't tried their fries out, but let's take a look at this sandwich. So this is a new sandwich, guys. And let me tell you what is in here. Here's a better close up. So it's a hot honey chicken sandwich. It's a spicy chicken sandwich, fresh melted pepper jack cheese, 3 strips of bacon, crispy pickled chips topped with hot honey, and this was $6.29. So hot honey is supposed to be on top, and I'm not even seeing anything. I don't know. I don't know, unless there's hot honey in here. I guess there's a little bit. It's a little bit damp and wet. So maybe the hot honey, and there's the pickled chips. Let's try one of these chips. It's weird. Bacon. Crispy bacon. And then there's nothing on the bottom. Got the cheese. I don't think it's going to be much sauce because this is very low. But, let's try it out. Chicken is really spicy. The chicken breast is spicy, so. I'm not really tasting the hot honey sauce. I was watching Papa Eats today. He said the same thing. He's like, it's okay. And it's just like, and even if I try to lick it, really, there's just not even sauce in there. It's still good, but it just needs more sauce. If it's not mayonnaise, something, it's kind of dry. I'm not gonna lie. But the bacon's really good. The bacon is really crispy. A lot of times I don't like bacon fast food because it's just very not crispy. It's just like sitting there forever. But this bacon's really good. Yeah. I can taste a little bit of the hot, what is it called? The hot mustard? Hot honey. A little bit. It needs a little bit more, man. It's, yeah. It needs a lot more. At least a little bit more. It's like they barely put it on. I'm almost halfway through it. And as I eat more of it, I can taste more of the honey. So, it's still pretty good, actually. I'll say. Try some french fries. There's only like 3 or 4 reviews today. I'm going to put this video out today, guys. I don't care. Put my thumbnail. Let's try these new fries. I have not. I was almost trying this on my way. I don't know. I'm going to eat this right now. See what it tastes like. Oh. These are free on the app. If you download the Wendy's app, which I did today, any purchase, you get a free regular fry. And I hardly ever go to Wendy's, so it's hard to compare it from the old fries, but I think these are a little bit thinner and maybe more salty. They're good. I don't know if I would go out and get them now. Like, oh my god, I want fries so bad. Like, they're good. McDonald's is better. I was craving water today. There's a couple of things I was going to review today, or sorry, do a video. Jack in the Box has these new tacos, and I was just going to film other stuff there. Today's Tuesday, so I thought I'd do like a Taco Tuesday video, but this came out today, and it's like there's only 3 or 4 reviews. I'm gonna just get this out today. But even though it's less honey, it needs a little more honey, but it's still pretty good. Someone tell me, instead of saying pretty good or very good, say something else. So let me explain more about this sandwich. I get that comment a lot. You're the only one. This sandwich is, I would say, a little above average because it has crispy bacon. It's spicy. It's hurting my mouth, but I'm fine. I mean, it's not. I don't think it's too spicy. A little dry. The sandwich is a little dry because of the. I think it'd be cool if they added a little bit of mayonnaise and then the hot honey on the top. Oh, the pickles, the crispy pickles is a really nice touch. It makes it really crispy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but more sauce would be good. Either mayonnaise or a different sauce. I think that's my only complaint, just the more sauce. It's actually really good. But yeah, I'm gonna try some ketchup. I think I got some ketchup doing. Oh yeah, for the fries. So a subscriber reached out to me on my Instagram, and they were like, "Hey, my younger nephew watches you. He's 12. He just turned 12 the other day, or very recently." And then she was like, "Yeah, but he got like sick, pretty bad, but he's getting better." And she asked me, "Hey, it'd be really cool if you know, said to get better and shout him out or whatever." So, his name is Dylan. So Dylan, I know you're a little sick, but I hope you get better. Thanks for watching me, by the way. I love when younger people watch me. It just makes me feel like, oh, young people watch me, cool, you know. So I hope you get better. Drink lots of water, soup, and rest. Make sure to rest. I will really help you when you're sick. And yeah, I hope you get better, Dylan. I really hope you do. Where'd you go, Price? So next week, I'm super excited. I have a collab coming. I haven't done a collab in over a year. I reached out to her. I thought she'd be a good person to collab with. She does mukbang videos, so that's exciting. Let's see what else. This weekend is Super Bowl, so I think on Sunday I'm gonna try Uber Eats. I'm gonna try my area. It's been very slow in my area. If I can't get any orders in my area, I might go to Berkeley or Oakland, Alameda area. I guess for the Bay Area. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna do that. And maybe is there's a what else is there? Oh, there's a Firehouse Subs. I'm being requested to do Firehouse Subs, but I don't have it in my area. But I have to drive like 40 miles away. But I could maybe do a video. I've been hearing the Italian sauce is really good at Firehouse Subs. I could do that. There's also a Winter Essential, which I don't have in my area as well. To drive at least 30 minutes out to get Winter Essential, but I've been craving that for a while. But somebody commented, why don't you just do healthy, or just do a nice healthy video at one of the restaurants. So I might just see what people order, and if it's something that looks really good or different, I am kind of sick of eating fast food. Well, yesterday I don't think it was really fast food. It was like a sandwich. I think that's kind of healthy, turkey sandwich. That was really, really good. Jimmy John's was so good. Oh my god. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. I don't know what I'm gonna do Saturday. I'm not sure. I might film my apartment tour. I might do that, and then Sunday I might just grind all day on Uber Eats. I guess the Super Bowl might be busy. I'm gonna try it out. I might have to try different areas. Usually I just start from home. I just don't get any orders. The sandwich isn't very hot for me. So if it's not hot for me, it won't be hot for you. But it's crispy with the pickles. It's really good. Probably that one's 4 out of 5 because it just needs more. It's just a little dry. That's all. It was good. But let me know if you tried it before, or I think it's new actually. Everybody's reviewing it today, so. So, yesterday I was so tired. On Monday, I don't know. I got a massage on Saturday, and if I have a really relaxing weekend, on Monday I just get so tired. I'm just not really used to working. I'm used to working, but it's like, oh my god, Monday, it's a shock. I have to work. And on Saturday I had a rookie client. Well, Sunday I had a rookie client. And she gave me $40 tips. That was really cool. So. But if I don't have rookie clients on this Sunday, I'm probably going to do Uber Eats all day. I'm going to try to do a video like how much money I made on Super Bowl. It'd be really fun, I think. There's some ketchup on here. Something different. The last bite or so. Somebody said they were trying to give you sauce. Like, I don't think there's sauce in my bag. Let me see. No. That'd be kind of cool if they give you extra sauce. That'd be so cool. You could dip it in their sandwich. That'd be really a bomb. So that was really good. I think tonight I'm going to do something healthy. Like maybe some chicken legs or grilled chicken in a salad. A little bit less carbs. Because I've been eating a lot of carbs lately. Yeah, I think after today, I probably won't be doing another mukbang this week until this weekend. Unless I can find something that's more healthy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to get this video out today. Even though my thumbnail, I don't know if I have a thumbnail yet for it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried this challenge. Like I said, if you do try it, download the app, get the free fry. And then if you can ask for extra sauce, because it just felt a little dry to me. It was like barely a sauce on there. But it was still good. I was still good 4 out of 5. Still pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great Tuesday or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.